I'm getting ready to start the interior. There's a lot of work that needs to be done in here. Let's get to work. Okay, I just wanted to bring you inside. It's really tight in here and it's going to be hard to film, but there's a few things that I just wanted to go over before I get started. One, there's a light missing there. I'm going to put new lights in. Turns out the new LED lights are cheaper than buying the old lenses. And then this here, this is what started the whole structural thing. That is like paper thin. So I'm going to skin over the top of that. I'm going to skin over the top of the piece above it. And so there's the question. Why am I skinning over this? One, I want to leave the thickness of this stuff in place. So when I put the new one on, it just gives it more structural integrity. I mean, this stuff has been on there for a good long time, and if it's on there and it's good, why disturb it? So I'll be reskinning from this line here down to this line. Whoops, I missed it. To this line right here. So I'm going to be doing those two pieces. That corner there on that side, I don't think I'm going to touch. But then once you get back here, and let's see if my camera can compensate. That area is paper thin. This whole corner here is paper thin. So I'll be working on that. Now, there's something I haven't showed you. Haven't showed anybody because it's going to be a whole separate project unto itself. And hold on here, I got to get some doors closed and another one opened here. And that's this area back here. Oh, good. I got an extra light and I need it. This corner back in there is about as good as the other corner. So I'm gonna have to replace this guy. Well, I'm gonna skin over that guy, skin over that guy, and then rebuild the floor and that corner there. Okay, so step one, let's just take it all in and start cleaning. I got to get all this dirt out of here. I got to get the walls wiped down. Otherwise the glue just won't stick. I'm going to be using a combination of staples and glue. So with all that being said, let's start cleaning. this here will wrap up, well, just about wrap up the interior reskinning. I didn't do the trim work, I didn't do any painting, I didn't do any of that stuff because daughter number 4, that's what she's gonna do. She'll take care of all that. But I just wanted to show you all the reskinning that was done and how it came out. It's not perfect, but boy, we did make progress. Now, a couple of things, like these latches. You can't buy these latches anymore. They've got this little plastic piece in here that it disintegrates over time. So, but I didn't want to throw new latches on. One, it's a lot of money, and two, you'll have all these extra holes here. So what we did, wife came up with the idea, is we just put these guys here in, and you retain the latch or the handle, and then you just put those in, and you're good to go. Backsplash came out okay, that area back in there. It's all really, really structurally sound now. I mean, you look at this stuff and it's really, it came out nice. It came out really nice. So anyway, I've got a little bit more to do on the backside, and then we will start reskinning. And once we start reskinning, I'll show a section of it. And then we're getting close. We're getting real close. Thanks for watching.